Okay, so I don't normally do reviews. However, after receiving this product, I was so excited about it that I felt I needed to. The company is called Pop On Veneers. As you can see, I don't have the nicest teeth in the world. It's something I've been self-conscious about for a while. Saw Pop On Veneers online, decided to give them a try. After ordering, I received my kit in the mail to make my molds or impressions of my teeth, which actually are right here. Kind of nifty. They send you a pair in case you need another pair of veneers in the future. Then you don't have to do the whole impression process again, which is kind of nice. About a week and a half later, I got my veneers, and they came in this cute little case here, little mirror. This is what they look like. And they are custom made specifically for your teeth, your mouth. The best part is they literally just pop right in. I'll show you. In the bottom, that's it. They are comfortable. I can wear them all day. I don't have an issue. I have people asking me where I get my dental work done, where do you get your teeth whitened? And of course, I give all the credit to Pop On Veneers. I love them. I feel like I can smile in photos now. I can get in front of a camera and do a review if I want to. I'm not feeling self-conscious of covering my mouth. They're pretty great. Super quick. I think start to finish, it was like 2.5 week process. And the staff at Pop On Veneers is amazing. Any questions or concerns that you have, they're right there, every step of the way, right there. It has been awesome. So thank you, Pop On Veneers. I appreciate it. Yeah, pretty great.